This is a routine phaco in a grade 3 nuclear sclerosis. And here I am putting my incisions and two side port incisions, and after staining the capsule with trypan blue as there is a dense posterior subcapsular cataract, I fashion my capsular excess with a bent 26 gauge needle. And as you can see, it's going off very well, pretty fast as well. And that's done. I then go ahead and perform the hydrodissection. You can see the wave going beautifully across, and rotate the nucleus with the tip of the hydrodissection cannula itself. This helps free up any corticocapsular adhesions as well as kick up the cortex. Then taking my sharp chopper in my left hand, I go with the phaco probe and I am performing the quick chop method here. So it's important to make at least 4 to 6 segments, and to make sure that you break the backbone, and that you can do with a multi-level chopping. So I am right now at 40 ml AFR and 400 millimeters of vacuum, and I have set my ultrasound at 50%, although I probably am not using that much. And once that segments are done, there is a bit of an attachment there, so I target the other heminucleus, chop it, and that's easily made into segments and eaten up. So I try to do all my segment removal at one go. I don't keep coming out of the anterior chamber, as that would bring the pupil down. And once all that is done, I go ahead and remove the cortex with the phaco probe itself, going into my irrigation aspiration parameters. But you can see the superior pupil has come down, and the cortex is more or less hidden under that iris, so it is a little risky to go in with the phaco probe itself. So rather than get any complication, abandon that, fall on my bimanual, and this is easily done. So once all the cortex is removed, I do some posterior capsule polishing, come out, and I will now hydro implant this single piece. That was a little bit of almost a bullet shooting in, but anyway, no harm done. I hydro implant this hydrophobic IOL directly into the bag. And I am just teasing it open with the Sinskey hook or Sinskey dial. And with that, I conclude surgery. Thank you so much for watching.